bitch something good. That shit hard.
Make sure you want us to put it online first.
How they did that though, bro? Crash out, boy.
Hey, man, get my picture this
It's the details for me, bro. Look at that shit crazy as hell.
He's gonna get one in gray, like a matte gray, with the chip bronze HREs on it. So we'll see.
That's crazy.
Oh!
in the mirror.
That titanium sounds beautiful. First time I've ever seen the inside of a Lambo in real life.
Yeah, man, exotic in the rain. They said they ain't playing with it.
That thing is.
We're gonna park him in your personal garage.
It's dope.